Hi Terry, this is Josh out at Encore Mustang Parts. I got your order. Thank you for pushing that through. Don't tell anybody else, but as soon as that dropped, I dropped what I was doing so I could get this out the door for you. I usually, you'll see on eBay, I have a 10 business days handling time. Normally something like this wouldn't be out for almost a week and a half, 2 weeks calendar time, but you gave me your story about this car and having bad parts before and how it's in the shop and needs to go, so here we are. I've got it done. I think you paid me 10 minutes ago. I just cleaned it all up other than just some sitting around light surface rust on exposed bare metal. This thing is excellent. I've looked it over in any of the joints here where there would be any stress. Like I know you said look real carefully for cracks. I've done so here. All the clutch packs are in good condition. All the spider gears are in good condition. The bearing ends seem to be fine. I've checked around the hole here. I know that's obviously a big stress point. Just wanted you to get a good look at this. Maybe you could send it over to Peyton's Performance so they know exactly what's on the way. But I've inspected it very well. I've rushed it so I can get it out today for you. Just wanted you to get a look at it so you can sleep well tonight and the other couple nights that remain until this arrives. So there it is, man, in excellent condition. Used 8.8 Posi track or limited slip carrier assembly, and it will be out my door momentarily. Thank you so much for your business. I'll talk to you soon.